Okay, IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer my questions, right? Let's start from you. Why do you think it is important to learn a foreign language?
I think it's very important to learn about a foreign language because you learn a different culture. If you learn a different language, you can learn about different things about living the people in countryside or living abroad. You can learn about the culture and traditions about the people. And now I'm learning foreign language, that is English, and it's
Okay,
international.
that's it. That's it. Now listen, just focus. And when you answer, your answers should be clear. Try to discuss a couple of ideas only. For example, why do you think it is important to learn a foreign language? See, there are many reasons. Because when they say why means reasons.
Yeah.
There are many reasons. First of all, if you know a foreign language, you can understand the culture of the people who speak that language. Secondly, if you know any language, like if you know French, you can learn French literature and you can see how their literature is written and what sort of novels, stories, and poetry they have. So I think learning a foreign language opens many doors to that nationality or to those people. Okay, like that. Now let's go on. Would you like to learn any foreign language in the future?
Yes, I would like to learn an English language.
English is not a foreign language in your country. English is a second language.
Okay.
Chinese is a foreign language, French,
Okay.
Spanish, German, Italian. So talk about that, please. So, would you like to learn any foreign language in the future?
Yes, I would like to learn about the French language. That is, uh, I'm very fond of speaking French, but I don't know anything about French. But I am preparing myself to go in Canada,
All right.
and their national language is also French. So if I go there, it's a very good moment for me that I
All
will learn.
right.
a
You
French
watch
language.
some French movies, you will understand everything
Yeah.
about French language. Okay. Let's go on. What is the difficult part of learning a foreign language?
Uh, Basically, there is grammatical. The most
Grammatical is not correct. Okay. What is
Grammar.
the difficult part of learning a foreign language? Grammar is extremely difficult portion of any language. Then speak on. Yeah.
Yeah, grammar is extremely a difficult portion of any language because if you have to learn if you want to learn anything about a language, you first of all you have to learn about the grammar, and it's a basic rule to learn about any new language. So
So I think grammar is the toughest part, and you can expand grammar into sentence structure,
Yeah.
tenses, all that. Okay. All right. Overall, it's good. You still have some hesitation when the topic is new, so try to cover all these topics so that you have no hesitation. Right.
Yes.
Let's go on. All right. How do you feel about birds? When I say birds, it means birds.
I just love birds when they fly in open airs. It's some kind of feel sensations, and they make perfect. And it is the part of nature, and we
It means birds.
they
So you should say they are
they,
the part of
they are
nature.
the parts of nature. So I love to watch the birds in open airs.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. How do people feel about birds in your country?
People feel very good about birds
About birds?
in my country. They want to play. They always love to play with them, and there are many reasons. Other reasons that people want to talk with them, like parrot, and they also some people have their pets like birds. So there are many.
Okay, you've got a lot of hesitation and you're taking a lot of time to produce sentences.
Okay.
So try to practice all these topics so that it doesn't take that much time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let's go on. I've got one more question. It slipped out of my mind. I wanted to ask you. Anyways, the same topic, and the question is, yeah, what type of birds are there in your city? You can talk about sparrow, pigeon, crow, and all that. The birds in your city.
There are many kinds of birds in my city. Most of them are eagles, parrots, and some more.
Okay, now try to answer like this. What kind of birds are there in your city? Well, first of all, there are many eagles in my city. An eagle is a very common bird. You can see them everywhere. Secondly, there are many crows. Whenever you are sitting in the garden, the most prominent sound or chirping is of crow, caw, 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 everywhere. And finally, we do have some sparrows as well. So these three birds are very common in my city.
Okay, sir.
Got it? So what type of bird? Sparrow, crow, pigeon, eagle, full stop. Okay?
Okay,
You need
sir.
to elaborate one by one.
Okay,
Never
sir.
give a shopping list to the examiner. What you said is a shopping list.
Okay,
So
sir.
first of all, there are eagles. And eagle is a sign of this, and there are many eagles in my city. Secondly, we do have crows, something like that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. All the best.